I'm making a video.
Alright, today we're going to do a review of the Lifecard Trailblazer Firearms Lifecard. Have had this out of the box, have not shot it yet. This one's in 22 Winchester Magnum. Opens up, locks into place. Feels pretty solid, it's got good weight. Barrel's got a little wiggle to it. Plunger pull. Got it like a half-cock safety. It won't fold back up unless that safety's done. Place for extra cartridges. I've got a Birchwood KC 12-inch set up at 5 yards. So I figure that's about torso size. You can't hit 12-inch. You probably shouldn't be shooting at that distance. So we're fixing to load it. See what we can do. We're going to shoot some 30 grain VMAX Hornady Magnums. See what happens. We're loaded, barrel still a little wiggly. Thought maybe having the bullet in there might tighten it up a little bit. Put my hearing protection on. With the bullet in there, you only got about 1.25 inches barrel, maybe 1.5 inches. Let's try this again. There we go. So, since the one hit was high and right, let me try to use a little lower hold. There's no sight, so this is all guesstimation. Same thing. Use about a 3-inch lower hold. There we go. Again with that lower hold by about 3 inches. Wind's flipping me around a little bit here. There we go. So aim a little lower than what you think. You might be able to put together a group. Yeah, I missed again, bud. I'm not very good. No, I'm not very good with this one, that's for sure, bud. Yep, I missed again, bud. Well, we got another one up there. Alright, so with a little practice, and we can keep together a torso-sized group at 5 yards, 15 feet. Just going to have to figure out my hold here on this thing. They've got a little groove run down the top. I don't know if that's coming out in the video. Kind of helps you line it up. Getting to the... No, I didn't miss that time, bud. I didn't miss that time. So, heck of a bang. 22 mag coming out of there about, I think these are rated for 2,200 feet per second, give or take. With this short barrel, you know, obviously that's going to be a little slower. But, in a pinch, might be able to get the job done. Again, you're not going to be able to check it, show clear. Bought a little leather holster for it. Fits in there. Not much bigger than my, actually it's smaller than my worn out old wallet here. Not much heavier either.
What are you doing?
Looks pretty well made, you know. I wish they could take some of the wiggle out of the barrel. Do something for a little sight. I'm not an engineer, but make that groove a little deeper with a little stud in it or something. Load it. Let's get it cocked here. Let's see what 10 feet does. Man, I gotta work on my hold with this thing. You can see now that I was probably shooting really high. You hold a pretty good group at 10 feet, seems like. Let's get another one in there, see if that was just a fluke or... No, I hit it, bud. Not bad. Same elevation. Windage off a little bit. See my setup here. Alright, let's see if we can get one closer to the bullseye. Which means I'm going to have to do what I'm doing and hold 4 or 5 inches down. The wind will give me a second. We normally shoot rifles, so all my targets are set up for a lot farther. Alright, brought it on down. Alright, hold even lower. There we go. Now we're starting to walk it in. So you can see you're going to need to practice with it. Don't be scared to go through some rounds until you get it figured out if you plan on carrying it. Alright, one more for good measure, 10 feet. Keep shooting right. I'm going to adjust what I think is about 2 inches left. And still went right. So with a little bit of work, I think you can do pretty good with it. Definitely need to practice with it if you plan on carrying. Obviously not long range, 1.25 inch barrel at most, a loaded round in it. Two-handed operation. Don't think you're going to quick draw or anything like that with it. Half cock safe. Not bad. I like it. It's neat. I will be carrying this. And that's all I've got for you. Please like and subscribe on Facebook and YouTube. Check us out at marchoutdoors.com.